Okay, today I'm going to try to fix this tape player I got from a friend, an older friend. Actually, he's 90 years old, and he's a jazz musician, and it's broken, like the tape doesn't play. And so I opened it up and the other day and saw that the motor was actually moving and the rubber band was like disintegrated. So I measured it, measured the rubber band as best as I could with like my digital calipers that I got from AliExpress, and ordered some replacements for like a couple dollars. It took a couple weeks, but gonna try to pop it in and see. Hopefully I got the right one. See if it works. So first, let's unscrew this. Put these screws here so I don't lose them. Alright. Hope this works. These are all pretty big, so it'd have to be the smallest one in this package. Just gonna, might be a bad idea to do this, but okay. There's some small ones in here. That seems it's the right. Seems like it's the right diameter. I think it's 1 millimeter, or the right width, thickness, and then it's not the right length though. Let's see this one. Never done this before. Let's grab some tools. Have to make sure it's not like rotated. Kind of looks like it is. Still not sitting right. Shit. These are kind of difficult. Maybe some chopsticks. It's like hard to see because it's black. If it's twisting or not. keeps sitting on there like crooked. And there we go. No. Maybe it's supposed to. It's kind of loose. Well, let's see if that works. Plug some batteries in here. Oh, guess the batteries need to go here. I heard something. Ooh. Okay. How can I test this? Here's the volume level. Oh, I think it's working. That might be his bird. This is a tape that came with the tape player. Oh, that's pretty. So I got this tape player from a jazz musician named Frank Phipps, who's 90 years old, and that's his bird, or was his bird. It passed away. I'm trying to remember the name of the bird. It was like something like Melody, or I can't remember right now, but yeah, I think I'm gonna call this fixed. Put it back together real quick. It's kind of annoying because it snaps together with these little, so it's hard to take apart if it's not working after. But there we go. Not even sure why there's screws, like it just snaps in place. Well, now I have like 49 other rubber bands. I can fix 49 other tape players. I do have one other one that I haven't tested. This was from when I was a kid. Probably needs a newer rubber band. Maybe I should try to open it. Alright, I'm going to take off my not working sticker, because now it's working. gonna digitize this and send it to him.